Slightly terrified of a little kid coming. Is that me? Is there a kid in there? Today is officially the real demo day where all the big boys come out to play. 3 Seasons room, we're coming for you. And your bushes. Look at it. Hey, come look at how much bigger it looks. Without that big bush? It's insane. No, for real. Without that big bush. How much bigger it looks without that big bush. Look at Eric in the window, isn't it? It's warming up out here. It really is.
What's all this? Old window well?
This must have been a whole patio.
Yeah, I bet you this was a patio before. So we're just gonna have you saw cut it.
I would probably cut it right at the inside of the wall to be safe.
So we're talking about keeping the brick to that paint line there. I'm wondering if we cut it even further because you see how it's actually stepped back?
Why does it do that?
Having Kate has been so helpful.
Look at Kate, all in there. I think when I'm more confident, I'll be in the action too.
You will.
I just feel like I don't know anything.
For Sophie, it's been such a learning experience, and also they're like a little duo.
Do you see how he's doing it with the water though?
Yeah. Why is that? Does it just make it easier or a fire or what?
Yeah, it gets really, really hot. So anytime you cut tile or stone, anything that's really hard like that, you need to use a wet saw.
Okay, yep.
Oh my God.
He like knows how to use that like a fork.
Yeah.
The kitchen is also getting demoed today, which is now becoming a giant mudroom. Laundry included. The washer machine and dryer is gonna be so nice. We're gonna have a beautiful brass bar for clothing. Real style shelves over there. It's gonna be so pretty.
It's so good.
And then this closet's gonna be gone, which will just make this whole area feel so much bigger.
Amazing.
Like this is huge for a mudroom,
Yeah, this should be great.
especially in Bay.
No.
Can't get this in
This is
Bay.
gonna be a smart move.
Yep, super excited. Okay, don't fall through the floor.
Yeah, it's like really, isn't it really soft right there?
We are dealing with our first minor issue at the house. The floor underneath the kitchen sink is rotting and like falling apart. Yeah, like one of you might fall through the floor. But honestly, with a house this old, if that is the worst thing we find today, I feel like we're doing pretty dang good. You heading out?
Safe.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
So soon.
Do the excavators know what to do out there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're good to go. Okay.
Cool.
I'm excited to see it Thursday. Like it's not. We should not be calling this house a flip because it's.
Because then people get in their mind that it's just to make a profit, which isn't what we're doing.
No, I mean, this is a huge renovation.
We're really going balls to the walls here.
We are going balls to the
Like-
freaking walls. It's gonna be $1 million house.
Yeah.
This is the first time we bought a house. This is the first time we've ever worked with architects, contractors. Like, yeah, we're kind of.
Yeah.
After the meeting we had with Kate, when we got back that $400,000 number, that it was literally gonna cost us $400,000 to redo this house, I was ready to sell it. I was like, we are literally going to ruin the business by going on with this. But then our realtor, Tracy, she's like the best. And we went over like everything. She's like, you could sell it and we still would have made a profit if we would have sold it. But now, we were being risky.
Back to BSL
Doesn't give up.
sticking with what they start.
It's now been a few days since we started construction. It's been really hard work for us. A lot of sleepless nights. No, I'm just kidding. Eric and Lance have been here totally demoing the entire house, so we haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, we've only seen snippets on Instagram.
Right, so to actually see it's gonna be
Yeah.
crazy. I'm already peeking behind me, and there's a huge hole in the ground, so I'm really excited. Should we go look?
Let's go.
Okay. Wow. This is gonna be a good size.
No, it's gonna be really good. Wow.
That's crazy. I can't even like remember
I'm
it.
excited for the inside.
I know. Okay, you're really taking the muddy route.
I'm not. My shoes are clean. They're pressured.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't even believe this.
The hole
That is the most exciting
that's so
thing.
exciting.
Yeah, the ceiling feels so high in here.
without the beams.
Yeah.
Are they gonna be the same size?
Yeah, they're
as
gonna be
before?
basically identical
I
to
think
what
'cause
they were before.
They'll be lighter though.
Wait, do you know what's concerning? Is that molding. Oh, and all of that.
Are they taking off these little guys?
Yeah,
Before
I
they
think
put
they're
the
taking off
plaster?
all of that, which is why I think this has been so much more intensive than they thought.
Because there's like 2 layers.
Like, there's no way
essentially.
that they're gonna finish this by tomorrow.
It was honestly sad seeing the house like that compared to what it was. And at the same time, really exciting.
This is not structural. This is the laundry shoe, which does kind of suck a little bit
sad.
because we have to take out that character. But that is like amazing. Look at this. Isn't it crazy to think that these are like so old? AJ, so do we think that we can take down this wall? What? Yeah. Like the whole thing? Wait, hold on. What?
The heating guy's got to do a bunch of calculations. He doesn't want a cold spot.
I feel like it'll be fine. And then you think we can cut it all the way over?
Like,
Like literally where the staircase wall backs up to,
yeah, so like where that little landing is.
free and clear above the doorway right now. Kind of like the dream plan that we originally had. Oh, were you here? Oh my gosh, you weren't even here. Yeah. Okay, cool. Looks so good. We're done. You guys are doing an insane job. Uh-huh. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. This is architect stuff. Joan. Love her.
Don't know what that
Love her.
means.
Don't want her job, but love her. Like, she's making sure that all of this can actually like happen.
Yeah.
I'm just going at it from a design standpoint, but I think that's gonna be amazing. Like this whole look. Mm-hmm. And then
whole addition's gonna be really cool.
It just belongs.
It belongs. It's supposed to be there. It's like the house was built for us to come in.
Yeah, let me go bomb it. Meant to be.
It's gonna be crazy when I come back in like 4 weeks. I can't imagine how different it's gonna be.
It's gonna be kind of fun for you though.
Yeah, it'll be fun. It's nice to come back. It's like the best of both worlds. Like I get a little bit of fresh air, you know, out of the city for a week, but then I get to go back.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
There'll be 2 stories when you come back.
Will there actually be?
I think so.
By then?
But then I think it's gonna be a standstill. I think after we get the 2
Because
stories
the
up, it's
windows.
gonna be a standstill until the windows come in.
Wait, that's crazy.
I don't know. it's the whole winter in Wisconsin. So we need the windows. They're just gonna put plywood up there, but you can't do a lot of things in the house unless it's a certain temperature. Can't do any painting until there's windows there because the trim needs to be exact. I wonder if the HVAC can be put in there. But even, I think it's just the windows, yeah, so it's gonna be probably a few weeks. Hopefully not long though.
Yeah, maybe they'll come early.
I know, I really feel like it's gonna come early. Cross our fingers.
Sophie gets so crabby because why? 2 weeks ago when I had to do homework and you were like, you're not gonna come
She
see
never
the
comes and
house?"
sees it though. Every time she hasn't seen it. Have you
I've
even
seen
seen it since construction started? No, she hasn't.
Okay, all right.
Sarah has been in New York. Shelby has been at school.
Yeah, multiple times. Multiple times. I went in it last week and then we went to breakfast.
Neither of them have seen the addition.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it crazy?
It's huge.
Do you want to go in and see it?
Yeah, I want to see it.
It's so crazy.
But you stood in the bottom, right?
Yeah, I've
You
stood
can
there.
stand in the bottom.
Oh yeah, and it's
Okay.
big. It feels like large.
I'm excited for them to open it up to the living room.
Me too. That would be
That's
a
gonna be
big day. Yeah.
crazy.
So glad I wore my
Work boots. Yeah.
Work boots.
You really look like a contracty gal.
I look like I
Shelby.
belong.
Okay. Do you need help getting in?
1, 2, 3.
Shelby. Wow, Shelby.
Yeah, that was actually.
Damn.
Don't worry about me, guys. I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Once this wall is down, it's gonna be like unbelievable.
Yeah.
So anyways, fridge, range, like cooking. I'm still trying to figure out, for countertops, I was gonna do black soapstone on the perimeter, and then for the island, do marble.
I do not think you should do marble.
Well, that's what I was leaning towards, so I think we are doing marble. Why?
Why?
Why are you?
You know exactly why. Because it's so hard to keep
Shelby,
clean.
Shelby.
You've never had
Have you
marble.
ever been to Paris?
My idol,
She
Sarah
has no idea.
Foster,
I do have an idea. My idol, Sarah Foster, said that she got the marble removed from her kitchen because it's so hard to take care of. I don't know your obsession with the marble.
It's for the vision.
No, but here's
Shelby.
the thing, is that you can get something that looks just like it.
No, you can't. The aging of the marble is like, you have to appreciate it, and I will only, in all of the houses that we ever do, I will only use natural materials.
I know as much about
guys are
marble as
both
she does.
Stubborn, so it doesn't work.
I'm just saying, she should take in my input.
I think
A little
she takes
bit.
it in more than she probably lets out. She doesn't want to give you the satisfaction.
I'll talk to my therapist
Can
about
you say
that.
that I'm annoying you?
I don't, maybe I use that word, yeah.
Shelby, how am I annoying you?
Because your whole motto is that you're trying to like figure it out as it goes. I could have written a paper on marble.
In what class?
Guys, I'm literally in a rock class right now. I'm in a rock class right now. Okay?
Okay, so that's what you're studying.
I'm happy. For your house, we will put no marble in it anywhere.
Okay. Good.
Noted.
Noted.
This is the second biggest issue we found in the house so far, and it's gonna be expensive. They redid this bathroom in, what, 2017? So it's like not that old. But if you look at this beam right here, can you see those two holes?
Yeah.
That is like so illegal. Like, because that takes away all of the weight bearing that it can handle.
How do
The
they fix it?
inspector would never let it pass. I was here with Kate and AJ. They were trying to figure out like solutions for all these issues. And they're gonna try to sister a piece of wood next to it so that they like can basically just put them together. Then we have this.
What's happening up there?
Exactly.
That is
Is that
completely
insects?
wrong. No, it's water.
Oh, no, that would be my worst fear.
It's water.
So this is a huge issue because that is completely rotted out. This is completely rotted out.
And that's from water? From
water.
Wait, are you gonna have to get rid of the fireplace?
Oh, it's nasty in there.
All of that is going to have to come out and be replaced. Be careful.
This seems very
No, like you actually have to be
dangerous.
very careful. Just Shelby, just.
Dude, I'm too heavy for this.
Shut up.
All right.
What?
Yeah, this is our most expensive issue in the entire house thus far. Yeah, don't step in that
Dude.
hole. This right here. Oh. This goes all the way up to the second floor, the bedroom. So water's leaking into that window and then coming all the way down, which is probably why they had to replace this window.
Yeah.
Like this it's completely rotted out. Like look at,
Don't touch it.
It's
So it was
bad.
completely rotted
Yeah.
to the brick.
Oh my god.
Wow.
They're gonna have to figure this out ASAP. And I'm just hoping that we don't have to touch the brick because that's gonna be a bitch. This whole thing's expensive. Kate did say it's more, we're gonna have to pay for labor than actual materials.
Damn.
I feel like this is something that you just have to expect when you buy such an old house.
Yeah, no, it
that's
is. Okay,
Please be careful.
yeah.
Don't peek.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. The wall between the living room and the addition is gone.
Finally seeing what's in that head of yours.
I know. This is a hot mess. We ordered these windows back in early August.
I had one tooth in 6th grade. I had one front tooth.
If the windows don't come in next week, we're screwed. Screwed. How long actually though? Like you don't think we'll be able to be in here end of March?